Hey, welcome back to day 10 of Money Attraction Challenge. Congratulations if you've made it to day 10 all the way. Amazing. How are you feeling today after 10 days? Let us know in the comment section below. In fact, we are looking forward to your comments after today's challenge. It's amazing. But before that, if you're meeting us for the first time today, my name is Mitesh Khatri. This is
Indu Khatri.
and we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Today we are learning how to attract more money in your life, and today is day 10. So if you're seeing this challenge for the first time, the earlier 9 days are very important. Links are in the description below. Go through that, then come back here. Those of you who are here continuing, congratulations. Let's go to day 10 challenge, which Indu will tell you, reminding you something that you did on day 2. Let's go, Indu.
Okay. But strictly, if you have not done 9 days, don't do this video.
Especially day 2. है ना?
Day 2, not only day 2, even the other days.
Because otherwise it will not make
It
sense.
will not make sense and there won't be any result also.
Correct.
Yeah. So remember on day 2, we had written what we feel, think and believe about money. Remember? Now, without checking that list, okay, don't go back to that list.
No copy.
No copy paste. Today, you're going to take a fresh page and write down what you think, feel, and believe about money.
Yeah.
Throughout the day and till tomorrow evening, you're going to really write down what are you feeling about money, what are you believing about money, what are you thinking about money. And after you complete the entire list, then you go back and compare your this list with the earlier list, and you will see your positive list has grown this high and your negative list has gone so small.
Yep. Try it. That's the purpose of this exercise, is to show you what is the difference in you and how you feel about money after 10 days or on the 10th day today.
Now you can just keep throughout the day, keep thinking about it. Whatever thoughts are coming, just keep noting it down. And you'll realize that your thoughts about things which we had discussed earlier, that money is evil, money is not good, money मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है,
Must have already dissolved.
हाँ, ये सब डिजॉल्व हो गए होंगे अगर आप लोगों ने सिंसियरली ये पूरे 9
9
डेज
days
का
किया है तो।
असाइनमेंट किया है, तो आज आपकी लिस्ट में ये सारी चीजें नहीं होगी. आपकी लिस्ट में सब पॉजिटिव होगा. आई रिस्पेक्ट मनी, आई लव मनी, आई थैंक मनी, आई सेव मनी, आई टेक केयर ऑफ मनी, मनी लव्स मी. ऑल दिस अच्छे थॉट्स होंगे मनी के बारे में in the right side of your column.
Here's how you do it. Take a blank page again, put a line in the center. Remember what you did the same on day 2 challenge. Left side positive, right side negative. And now just start writing, what am I feeling about money now? What am I thinking about money? What am I believing about money? How am I acting towards money? When I'm going out, when I'm spending money, how am I spending money? Am I feeling small about money anymore? Do I feel I have lack of money? All those thoughts that you have now about money, keep writing it. And for the next 2 days, until the next challenge comes in, which is the day 11, the last challenge, until then, keep doing this exercise. There is no specific number here. It's not like you have to write 100 things.
No.
Just keep writing as many things you can about what are you feeling about money. You might be surprised that you're feeling comfortable about money. Whereas when you compare it later on day 2, you realize you were feeling uncomfortable then, but now you feel very comfortable. In fact, you can even write down that in these 10 days, what are the results you attracted about money?
Yes,
right?
Yes, they can write.
I'm sure some magic must have happened.
Absolutely, I'm guaranteed.
कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ होगा.
मेरा चैलेंज
देखो.
एकदम पावरफुल है, ये मुझे मालूम है.
So please write this down. And after you have written it, once you're kind of done with it, now compare the earlier list on day 2 and share that experience with us. We'd love to know how you felt.
I'm excited already.
Very excited. If you share this video with 3 of your friends, they'll go super confused. Okay. So don't share this particular video with them. Share with them the day 1 challenge so they can go through the entire 11 days challenge with you and me. Looking forward to your email at contact@miteshkhatri.com about how you experience this money challenge. How has it helped you? How much money have you started making? How your money frequency has gone up? And yes, if you want to be emailed that by YouTube that you've got the day 11 challenge also, what do?
Okay, subscribe to our channel if you want to receive the notification for the next challenge, which is
अब तो करना पड़ेगा subscribe. जल्दी करो.
And press the bell icon as well, so
Yeah.
that you get the reminder as well.
Yes.
And don't share it with your friends.
This particular video don't share. Share the day 1 so that they know the sequence. All the videos of earlier challenge, the links are in the description below.
But share your experiences. I would really love it, and I read all comments, by the way.
Yes. Looking forward to your results. Thank you so much. See you soon on the day 11 challenge. That's the last day. Congratulations for being there in advance.